going. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. And on the last video, we got the turbo in place and everything. And I started working on it. I found some things I had to take off the turbo for. So in this video, I've already got the intake back on, but in this video we're going to finish up the fuel lines. Had to put a different condenser in here for my AC, Camaro condenser, so the lines come out low down here. And then we're just going to button everything up and hopefully fire this thing up. My brother's been down here giving me a hand with the intake and stuff, but he's going to come back when I get ready to fire it up. I do got to get a battery and get a solenoid to put over there, but yeah, we're just going to hop into getting all the fuel lines and stuff hooked up, and then we'll work on putting the condenser in. All of the fuel systems back in place. Now we're going to go through and get all the harness plugs, get them all back in place. So all the wires are in. Next thing I'm going to hop on is putting the radiator back in and the AC condenser. And on my car, I got the Camaro compressor, Camaro AC lines. They all go to right here. But I was having a bit of a problem with where my turbo is in relation to the outlets right there. So what I did, ran and got me a pre-91 Camaro condenser, and it puts them out down a little bit lower, if you can see that. But yeah, it puts them out down lower, and it's going to be below where my turbo inlet is, and it hooks right back up to this, so I'll be able to use all my old stuff and still keep my AC. But we're going to get that put in. Well, the radiator and condenser and all that's in. Now I'm going to hop into work and put my catch can in. I'm going to do 2 passenger side valve covers, 10 and drain, or 10 and fittings. Those things are cool. Got one for over there as well. I'm going to run the catch can over here. I already got it in place. I'm going to hop on doing that real quick, getting the lines made and getting this in place. Catch can's in place, got that one, that fitting over there, going over the wall, got a drain. Next we're going to hop on to getting the battery finished up. My brother's already ran some cables, my nephew's down here helping too as well. We'll put the battery in the trunk.
Leave it right there.
Yeah, right there.
And that cable's easy.
Well, the battery's going to be in the trunk now. All the battery wiring is partially there. We got to finish that up, but while they're working on that, I'm going to go work up here and get my oil sensor in the side of the oil pan. I'll show you what I got for that. This is what we got. This goes inside the oil pan. Feed comes out with the oil pressure sensor. Putting that thing in. And that's where the fitting's going to go. There's my oil pressure sensor. It's a glow shift. Well, we checked everything over. All the lines are in place. Make sure everything's good. We're going to start this sucker up. Get it fired up for the first time. We'll hop in there and start it up.
Me?
Yep.
Oh.
Start it up. You on the other side.
Okay.
If I say cut it off, cut it off. Keep going. Oh, hold on. Let me get this rag out of the way. Make sure there's nothing up on top. Alright, fire it up again. until it gets my belt on my head. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Seems to be idling all right. I'm gonna have to obviously pull the tune that's not used to a little bit of extra. It's not used to the extra air that's going in it, but it still sounds pretty good. A little bit loud. Well, it's staying cool. Had a little bit of a water issue, but it runs pretty dang good. It's quite loud. I got a squeaky belt. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but it's awesome. I can't wait to make some noise. That's gonna be in the next video, or make some passes down the street. That'll be in the next video. Well, everything's in place. We got it hot, made sure the fans work, everything works. I got a squeaky belt. I gotta realign that thing. Then I think all I got left really is to put in the boost control solenoid over here and a couple more things, two-step. We're gonna wire two-step in there, but that'll be the next video. Next video, we're definitely gonna get out on the street, hear this thing spool up. It's gonna sound good. It's gonna be a whole lot louder than that, but it ain't no fun if it ain't loud, right? Anyways, thanks for watching. Drop a comment down below. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you like the Turbo LS G-Body. And if you've been watching for a while, you know what I'm fixing to say. If you ain't on a break, you better be on the skinny pedal, son. We out of here.